Welcome to the IVS Smart Facility Command Center. All sensor data from BLE Tags flows through Azure IoT Hub, Stream Analytics, and into a Databricks Lakehouse, bronze, silver, and gold layers in real time. Now let me show you what makes this different. I can ask it questions in plain English. First question, how many critical alerts today? The system automatically generates a SQL query, runs it against live data, and returns the answer, 15 critical alerts. The AI then adds context, prioritize inspection of high heat zones within the next 4 hours. Second question, why is zone 411 overheating and what should I do? This is where the RAG layer activates. The system combines live sensor data with our maintenance logs, SOPs, and incident reports, all stored in Databricks vector search. The result, Zone 411 has 21 critical alerts, average temperature 25.1 degrees. The AI recommends immediate cooling system inspection, cross-references the last 48 hours of maintenance history, and quantifies the cost. Unplanned downtime in this zone runs $12,000 per hour. Live alerts stream at the bottom. Real devices, real zones, real timestamps, live. That is the difference between a monitoring system and an intelligent operations platform.